All right, so this is the last part of the outside tour. There was the first part that I did yesterday, and then there was a glitch in some of the footage, and it wasn't good, so I deleted it. So I'm back here today. Just thought I'd do it real quick. So we've got dual zone. The machines are excellent. The HVAC machines are in excellent condition, as you can see. They are not brand new, but extremely close, probably within 5 or 7 years, something like that. Really nice, and they're working great. Everything's clean on the pads, no rust, nothing. Looking great. A little bit of the backyard. This is a shot of the sitting areas and the eating areas out here, all with the Edison lighting. Sunspot. Very nice lighting at night. Wow, there's some tall trees. Diving pool, as I explained yesterday. And here's where the pool equipment is. Heater and everything. Everything is totally clean. Everything is very well maintained. Runs like a top. Roof brand new. Everything is perfect. I'll run around here to the back now, which is what I wanted to show you yesterday. There's a pad out here. I'm uncertain if there's plumbing to it or not, but I would imagine at some point they probably had a hot tub on this pad, possibly. Either way, it's perfectly set up for something. I don't see any plumbing, so I don't know if that can be trenched in or what. Anyhow, this is the back area. So just kind of goes to show you the quality of the build. All the block is new. This area you can build an accessory dwelling if you want. You could have pickleball, tennis courts, basketball, I mean whatever, RV storage, anything you want. You could have probably multiple things back here for sure. And here's where you store your recyclables and so forth. Take them out to the street once a week. And we've got a storage shed here. They have this miscellaneous things. There's extra roofing there and so forth. Just nice to have some little extra space. It's not air conditioned in there, but that could happen. But it's just a regular tough shed. That's all it is. So we're looking pretty good. So you could at least have two car parking here. If you want to pour a slab, that would be even better. RV easily be stored here. A lot of people do that in Phoenix here with the no HOAs. Could have another gate here easily if you wanted, just to protect whatever you put here in the backyard. For me, I'd probably do pickleball in a guest house. I think that would be the ultimate. But it's not up to me. I'm not the buyer for the house. But I hope that someone watching is. And we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for letting me shoot all this for you guys as it goes on. And I'll be doing more of it. Usually with every open house I have or any home tour I do, I usually do some of these, assuming that my phone doesn't die because of the heat. Or if the seller doesn't allow for it, of course, I won't do that. So thanks for watching. My name is Kurt Michael Boyd. I'm with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's here in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona at the Camelback Towers office downtown in Middletown. And my number direct is 480-203-3704. My website is kurtmboyd.com, and you can reach me on all my social media channels and email me direct if you're so inclined to do so at kurtmboyd.com. And I'm very grateful to all the viewers. Thank you very much. I'm going inside. It's way too hot.